Hey Danny, and welcome to my vlog. And today I'm gonna go up on the roof. Welcome to around the house. I'm gonna go up on the roof and do the. I've decided to use spray foam in areas where I don't have that the actual foam that they use for sealing, and also to fill in the big gaps up there where water can actually get in and get underneath, but you know, it's still not going to hurt anything. I've got weather seal under it, and I've also got you know, two layers of shingles underneath it. So, but I just want to get this. I want to get it up there and keep that water, as much water out as I can, especially when we start hitting 50-mile-an-hour winds and stuff. So, I actually found spray foam that you can actually reuse. Usually when you spray it on there once, the can is done. But get this section done today. We got another couple of good days coming up, and thinking I'm probably going to be able to do the edging over there. But right now, up under the ridge up under there, I didn't have the ceiling piece that I really wanted to have over there. So with that said, we're in the 50s today. There we go. I can come back later date, spray the spray it with paint. The down areas down here. Alright. This stuff still is miserable. Now, the end of my Can't tell. Okay, yep. Good to there. All right. Okay. Spin it right back around. Turn your foam thing back around. I don't know. Didn't work the way I was thinking it was. You want to get this while it's still curing. I want to get that off of the roof. Oh no. Oh shoot. Huh. Turn around. Okay. She's sticky. No. I got white. I got white and yellow everywhere. Get it. Village collected. Alright. Goes before it gets too far along. Here you go. Yuck. Yeah. You can break it up before it starts to get too bad. There you go. It sucks having yellow look. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Rub it in. Blend it in. Aye. Quit. There, I got tar everywhere. Anyway, hey. Good enough. Oh no. I hope that thing's square. Hey, you know. The rope. I'm getting carried away a little bit, huh? Got a big old expansion right here. Oh, okay. Expanded really bad, huh? Get that on that wood. There you go. Gotta keep that wood preserved. Okay. Missed a hole in it, dude. Crap. Yeah, dork. I missed it. Okay. Expansion of that. I'm gonna come back, come up with tar, come back up with tar and cover everything again. Anyway, so do that another day. Oh damn! It's down there. Come back up and hit that little area there that I missed. That's a deep, pretty deep hole. That's still usable. Crap. Back up here again. Huh? In there. More. I like it. Cool. Going again. Okay. Alright, I'm happy. Let that expand. Catching it before it expanded too far. The other way is just to go ahead and let it expand, and then come back out and cut it. It will do that. Okay, I gotta repair the gutter end there too. Remind me of gutter end. All right.